Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up a Bluetooth game controller for Black Shark Pad 7. So, in front of me I have the DualSense controller or the PS5 controller, and I will also explain how to set up an Xbox controller if you have one of those. But in case of DualSense controllers, first of all you have to put it into the pairing mode by holding down the PS button and the create button at the same time. Now the create button is this one. Just hold them down until the lights of your controller start throbbing like this. And then we have to open the Bluetooth settings on our tablet. To do that, let's unlock it. Swipe down the control center. Hold your finger down on the Bluetooth. Now select pair new device. Select your DualSense controller, then tap pair. And right now we are basically ready to start using our controller. So using the D-pad on the left side, we can navigate through the settings menu and basically through the interface. By pressing triangle, we can go back. We can select with X. So basically do everything as you would expect to do it using your controller. Now in case of an Xbox controller, it is paired slightly differently, because first of all you have to turn it on before putting it into pairing mode. Let me quickly remove this controller from the list. By the way, to do this we have to go to Bluetooth settings, select our DualSense controller and tap forget. Now in case of an Xbox controller, you have to turn it on by pressing the Xbox button here in the middle, and once it turns on you have to start holding down the pairing button, which is located approximately in this spot. Just hold it down until the lights of your Xbox controller start throbbing. Then after you tap pair new device, you will see your Xbox controller here on the list. And if you tap on it, you will pair it with it and will be able to start using it right away, just like we did with our DualSense controller. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.